Hello friends, welcome you all to my channel. Today I am going to show you the CPU AIO water cooler which I have purchased to upgrade my personal computer. Arctic Liquid Freezer 2 multi-compatible all-in-one CPU AIO water cooler compatible with Intel and AMD processor based motherboard. Maximum retail price Rs 19,239. Arctic launches their new all-powerful AIO 360mm liquid cooler which comes with PWM controlled pump and three 120mm RGB fans providing a static pressure of 1.85 mm H2O. Equipped with additional 40mm PWM VRM fan helps cooling the motherboard's VRM clips. PWM controlled pump, copper based for improved efficiency, low power uses and quiet operation. When idle, clock down consuming less power. Aluminium radiator. Model name Liquid Freezer 2 360 RGB. Warranty 6 years. Box content 1 LF2 360, 1 0.8 gram MX5 thermal paste. Three P12 RGB, 1 backplate, 18 screws, 4 thumb nuts, 12 standoff, 20 washers, 4 mounting clips, fan speed 200 to 1800 RPM max, airflow 48.8 CFM, static air pressure 1.85 mm H2O, current or voltage for fan 0.11 ampere 12 volt DC, for LED 0.2 ampere 12 volt DC. Bearing, fluid dynamic bearing, noise level 0.3 zone. Connector, 4-pin PWM connector cable with Y splitter and 4-pin 12 volt GRB cable with RGB sharing splitter. CPU socket support AMD AM4, Intel 115X, 1200, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2066. Compatible with Asus, Gigabyte, MSI, ASRock, etc. motherboards. Fascinating 12 RGB LEDs per fan. Thanks to a well thought out cable management system, the water loop is sealed, therefore no water or additives have to be refilled. Fan can be controlled directly to the 18 mm thick radiator. Hide the PWM cables of the radiator fans. This way we only have to connect a plug to the motherboard and save valuable time during the installation. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to boost me up to create more knowledgeful videos. Thank you.